Have you ever thought about just how strange and incredible planets can be? From the rocky worlds in our solar system to the bizarre exoplanets scattered across the galaxy, planets come in an astounding variety of shapes, colors, and sizes. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 coolest and most mind-blowing facts about planets. These facts will take you across unimaginable landscapes, introduce you to bizarre weather patterns, and reveal some of the universe's most amazing secrets. Let's start with a fact that might surprise you. There are planets out there where it rains. Glass. Meet HD 189733b, a scorching hot exoplanet located over 60 light-years away. This hot Jupiter is constantly bombarded by furious winds reaching up to 5,400 miles per hour. But here's the craziest part. It rains glass on this planet. In these high temperatures, tiny glass particles condense in the clouds and are blown sideways by those extreme winds, creating a sideways glass shard storm across the sky. Imagine a sky filled with shards of blue glass flying at hurricane speeds, an alien weather event that's both terrifying and absolutely mesmerizing. Next up, we have a fact about our neighbor Mars, a planet that's long fascinated scientists and dreamers alike. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. It's so massive that it covers an area about the size of Arizona and is nearly 3 times as tall as Mount Everest. This volcano is not only gigantic in height, but also in its gently sloping structure, meaning it would be almost like a high-altitude stroll up its sides. Imagine looking out from the peak of Olympus Mons. You'd be able to see the planet curving in the distance, reminding us just how vast and untouched Mars really is. And as we plan future missions to the Red Planet, it's incredible to think that one day, humans might actually stand on the summit of this colossal volcano. Now, if you think Earth has wild seasons, wait until you hear about Uranus. Uranus, our tilted icy giant, has the most extreme seasons in the solar system due to its unusual rotation. Unlike other planets that rotate upright, Uranus rolls along its orbit on its side, tilted at a whopping 98 degrees. This means that one pole faces the sun for 42 Earth years, creating an endless summer, while the other endures a 42-year winter in complete darkness. Imagine living on a planet where each season lasts nearly half a century. The extreme tilt of Uranus leads to some of the strangest weather patterns imaginable, with storms and swirling clouds that change dramatically over decades. Next is a planet that's so strange it seems almost like science fiction. Gliese 436b, a world where ice burns. Gliese 436b is a Neptune-sized exoplanet that orbits incredibly close to its star. The intense heat, over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, should be enough to melt ice instantly. But due to the extreme gravitational pressure on this planet, the ice remains solid and actually burns on the surface. Known as hot ice, this phenomenon occurs when the planet's gravity compresses the water into a solid form, even as it's being scorched by the nearby star. Imagine ice that won't melt no matter how hot it gets. This is one of the strangest sights scientists have ever discovered. And finally, let's talk about a phenomenon close to home. Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This massive storm has been raging on Jupiter for at least 400 years, possibly even longer. It's big enough to swallow Earth whole and is the most famous storm in our solar system. Scientists think that the Great Red Spot may actually be slowly shrinking, but its true nature remains a mystery. Why has it lasted so long? And what's driving its colossal power? Even with spacecraft orbiting Jupiter, we're still learning new things about the dynamics of this storm, which has captivated astronomers since it was first observed. The Great Red Spot reminds us of the incredible forces at play on the planets, where storms can rage for centuries and grow large enough to cover entire worlds. Planets are far more than just rocky or gaseous spheres. They're filled with mysteries and phenomena beyond our wildest imagination. From burning ice to glass rain, towering volcanoes to endless seasons, the planets in our universe hold secrets we're only beginning to uncover. If you're as fascinated by these amazing planetary facts as we are, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more journeys through the wonders of space. Because when it comes to the universe, there's always something new and incredible waiting to be discovered.